Hey, guys, listen real quick. I want to talk to you about something. One of my customers came to me and they asked me a question about a contractor. And they said, hey, listen, I was dealing with this contractor, and the contractor told me that he was insured and he did some work on my house. And I seen the thing on the side of the truck that says license number and that he was insured. And then she said that I wanted to make sure that he was insured because he's going to be doing some work on my house. What do I do? And what do I need? And I said to her, well, one of the most important things you need to understand about a contractor, just because they have the thing on the side that says this is my license number, doesn't mean that they are insured. And first of all, that isn't a license number. That is a registration. A general contractor can only be licensed by the municipality or the city that is working in. It cannot be licensed by the state. It's only a registration for the state, right? Because the state doesn't license contractors. So they get that registration through Consumers Affairs. So when you see a contractor come to your house and they have that number on the side and it says my license number, please understand something. Make sure that you don't take that and believe that. Ask them to show you a certificate of insurance. The certificate of insurance will have a date that the insurance is active and a date that the insurance is going to expire. If they're going to do work on your home, have them to put you down on the insurance certificate and send a copy to you so that if something should happen to that contractor worker, you are going to be covered. You don't have to worry about your homeowner's insurance. You don't have to worry about using any of your liability insurance. He should have that or she should have that. If they can't present that to you, you will be taking a very big risk on using that contractor. Also, too, every business in New Jersey is supposed to have workman's compensation. And workman's compensation is exactly what it is, workman's compensation. All these things will be listed on the form certification that you will receive from the contractor who's going to be doing the work for you. And I think it's very important for us to understand that, is because many times they'll tell you that they are insured, which is no such thing, but the word is registered. And if you contact Consumers Affairs, you may find out that they don't have any insurance. That's why they're not registered. Or just basically have them to give you an insurance certificate. And the insurance certificate is going to have the date on there. It's going to have the insurance companies on there, and they're able to put your name on there. And if it looks like it has been altered, then you can more likely you can just reach the insurance company and see if the insurance is active. It is very, very important, guys, and very, 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 very important that you understand when a guy's working on your home or a girl's working on your home, that they have insurance. You got to make sure that these companies have insurance, because as soon as someone gets hurt, you are liable. You are responsible for anything that goes on in your home, and they charge it to your insurance company, and your insurance may go up. I'm not sure, but you don't want to be the one paying for a guy who broke his leg because he fell down the steps. You don't want to be responsible for a guy who fell down or off the roof because he misstepped on something. You have to pay for that. You have to make sure that the people who are working on, they have liability. And if I were you, I'll see if they have workman's comp. Now, workman's comp is not really vital because you do have the liability, but the workman's comp does help, especially if are getting a whole bunch of work done. So understand something. When you see the name on this, when you see the certificate information on the side, verify it. Make sure. Get a certificate of insurance. Have it sent to you, and make sure that insurance certificate has your name on it. That's how you verify and make sure that you're having a contractor who takes care of his business, who knows what he's doing. He should know what he's doing, but you're able to hold him accountable, and you're able to hold him liable for any damages that you may have in your resident or commercial property. And if you have any more questions or you want to know any more about this, you can hit me up at 201-618-8639. So also too, folks, if you don't have insurance on your home, say for example your insurance lapse and you get work done in your house and something happens, you're in trouble, right? The contractor can go after you if they don't have insurance. So you want to make sure. And if you need house insurance, give me a holler. I know. Listen, I have a very good insurance agent. She's amazing. She's awesome, and most likely she'll probably be watching this video. She know her name. Her name is Diane Mary Clemens, and she's phenomenal. She's excellent, and she can help you with all your insurance needs. But guys, you got to make sure that you're covered with your insurance. Make sure that your contractor is covered, and if he is covered, you're covered. Okay, guys. Hope that was good information. 201-618-8639. You can look me up at bndrestoration.com.